Hey guys, today I'm using Jibambe short braids from Angels in the number 30 to do some mini box braids. I've never done mini box braids before, so today is going to be my very first time, and this is how my hair is prepped for this hairstyle. So I'm ready for this hairstyle, so let's begin. My natural hair is in mini loose twists, so I'm taking my time to detangle the hair with finger detangling method, and then I'm going in with a comb, detangling lightly with a comb, and then I'm making sure that my hair is moisturized before I go in with the hair extensions. In today's video, guys, I'm going to be using two methods to achieve this hairstyle, and the first method I'm going to be showing it to you very shortly. So in this clip I'm still undoing the loose mini twists and then making sure that it's detangled, making sure that it's moisturized before I go in with the hair extensions. As you guys can see, I'm still in the journey of growing my hair long and healthy. Last year, which was 2024, I was more focused on the healthy part than the length part of my hair. That's because my hair was damaged by the UV lights from the sun and it was turning to be brownish. So I was focusing more to bring the color back. So this year, guys, I'm still focusing on the healthy part, but I'm adding the length part. I'm so excited about this length. Whew, I'm happy about it. Anyway, guys, so this year expect more protective hairstyles and stuff like that to grow long healthy hair. So this is the first method, guys, that I'm using to achieve this hairstyle. I call it the tying method because I tie the extension around my natural hair like that, and then I continue braiding. So my natural hair is the third part of braiding, and then I start dividing the natural hair to the extensions. So guys, as I was saying about growing healthy long hair, I remember in 2018 I was so focused on taking care of my hair and growing it long. I was doing more of natural remedies and they were really working on my hair. So I think that's what I'll start doing again to grow healthy long hair. Like I was doing rice water, aloe vera, avocado. I think those are the things that I'm going to be doing now again. So this is me, guys, adding the hair at the bottom of the braid so that the braids can be a bit longer. So yes, guys, that's what I will be doing more often, and those are the videos that you guys will be expecting in this year. By the way, guys, I have noticed that these mini box braids are a protective hairstyle. In a way, hear me out. They are tiny and lightweight, meaning they are not adding your natural hair unnecessary, weight. And yeah, I think they are protecting your natural hair. They are not that protective, but they are protective as well. If you're doing this hairstyle yourself and you want to protect your natural hair, just make sure that you're not making them too tight at the roots so that you don't cause unnecessary breakage over there. And then make sure that your hair is moisturized as you go, okay? That's when you know that you're protecting your hair. It's moisturized, it's not too tight. Another thing which I get a lot of questions is how I make sure that my back partings are okay, or they are neatly done, or they are good. The simple answer is that they don't always look that perfectly done, but they are good to go, and I don't worry about how my back partings look like because the hair at the front falls to the back and that's it. We are good to go. You don't have to always worry about how your back partings. So guys, I'll show you this method again. You take your hair extension, you tie it around your natural hair at the roots. This helps you to grab the roots perfectly, and then you continue braiding as your natural hair is the third part of your braiding. And then at the bottom of the braids, you add hair to make your braids longer. I'll show you guys one more time and then we will proceed to the next method. Be very careful at the front because we all know how baby hairs are delicate and we want to slay those edges, so don't make them too tight. This is the other method that I was talking about. So the first thing that I'm doing is to undo these twist outs and then detangle my hair and make sure that my hair is moisturized. I'm moisturizing my hair using plain water. After detangling my hair, I'm doing a halfly done twist out. That is to help me grab the roots and also to protect my hair more because this is a protective hairstyle with extensions. This is how the twist looks like, halfly done, and then I will go on top of it with the hair extension. I feel like this is the best method to protect your natural hair than the first method. The first method, I would say it's a more of a beginner method because it's easier to grab the roots that way and it will turn out perfect. But this method right here is like more of a protective hairstyle because you are doing a twist out first and then covering it up with the hair extensions. So far this is the remaining part, so I won't lie guys, I did this hairstyle until it was dark outside. So I got done at around 7 p.m. and this is the next day. I'm done and I want to make some curls at the bottom of the braid, so I'm braiding 4 parts of the hair and then dipping them in hot water to make the curls. I'm really happy about how this hair turned out. It's so lightweight. I'm even thinking of doing more of, you know, mini box braids, and this is the final results guys with the curls. I love it. I love it. I love it. Thank you so much guys for watching. Subscribe if you haven't and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.